Sometimes I like being alone, and it's usually I like the rain or the sky, and I don't know, I like being around like the beach or like forest or like views. And when I'm alone I can freely express how I feel with nature, but I like being with people because at least I have a support where I'm not in a dark place all the time, and I'm not too happy, not too sad, so I'm in the middle, and it just keeps me grounded as well.
Long drives. Music is very therapeutic to myself. Listening, singing or playing.
Go for a walk. Walking around, even if it's around my neighborhood, or walking like around any trees or like a forest or even beside the river even. And just breathing in and out, smelling the fresh air that's surrounding among us while we're walking around, and just getting a glimpse of the surroundings around us. It just slowly starts to get me back together on my own feet, and just get back to the rest of my day. And listening to like very chill like music while you're doing that walk, because I think it kind of does set the mood a bit. It just makes me feel uplifted. It makes my spirit feels uplifted, and it makes me get ready for the rest of my day.
I like to go on drives with my driver. I go in a group or just me and whoever is driving. Just anywhere on the road. I guess getting lost on the road. See where the car takes you, where the road takes you. That's the best.
Sometimes it would be by myself, and then other times it would be to take my flatmate's dog for a walk.
I like to go for swims, and mostly with my friends. Oriental, Island Bay or Pliverton. And we spend like hours in the water, playing games and just having fun.